Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Rothwell. We're going to work on beginning sounds today. I'm going to say 2 words, boat, bug. I want you to listen to what you hear first in both words. Boat, bug. I hear the sound buh. They both begin with that sound. They are the same. Buh. You try it. Boat, bug. Buh. Now I'm going to say 2 more words. I'm going to in pairs, and if they have the same beginning sound, I want you to clap. If they don't clap. You ready? Sink, sun. Clap. Pie, peas. Clap. Cat, fox. Goat, girl. Roof, rain. Tap, fish. You can have anyone in your house make up 2 words, and you can clap if they start with the same sound, the same beginning sound, or not. Have fun.